Hi, I'm Tisha, a sociology graduate from Stella Maris College, and I'm a sustainable fellow at Lead by Design. I bring student voice and creativity to grade 4 and 5 in CPA CIT Nagasaki. I joined the Sustainable Fellowship in July 2024 because it was a unique opportunity unlike the others out there. And as someone who's passionate about creativity, sustainability, and the environment, this felt like the right fit for me. I want my students to develop critical thinking, creative problem solving, and a growth mindset, which I think will help them tackle the challenges in the upcoming future and the ever changing world. When I first met Janusha and Emmanuel, they were two hesitant students who were really unsure about their ideas or their solutions, and they wanted to just really give quick answers and run away. But as ELL classes went, I saw something change in them drastically. They started thinking about the right questions. They were thinking about why is this problem happening, how is this impacting the people, and how they can be of help. When they had to identify a problem in their school, they identified that the food was being wasted by a lot of students in their school. And what surprised me the most was Emmanuel and Janusha, they both took the lead on this problem, and they led the entire class, like the whole fifth grade, to take action. They went ahead to create meal plans and put up these things in every classroom and talk about the importance of why the food should not be wasted. They also went ahead and created badges for people who can take up leadership and accountability and oversee that the food is not being wasted and that they're controlling the food wastage itself. I believe education in India should move on from repetitive learning methods and also memorization methods. They should start really focusing on critical thinking, problem solving, and creativity, because students need the opportunity to experiment, learn, and implement whatever they're learning in their classrooms into the real life situations. Beyond learning, I initiated the Creative Climate Collective along with my fellow, where it's a space for young minds to come together and talk about topics related to sustainability. The fellowship has also helped me connect with the Climate Educators Network and also attend BNI meetings where I'm able to learn about sustainability in the corporate world from business owners. If you're considering the Sustainable Fellowship, it's an opportunity that will shape you and also challenge you. I have gained some essential skills like facilitation, leadership, and adaptability, which is valuable in any professional setting.